Hi guys, today we're going to be drawing Pig the Pug wearing some clothes. These are the colours that we're going to be using. Alright, now we are going to do a little circle like that, like this. And now we're just going to do like a body, but not too far, like that. Now we're going to do the hands so he can like wave or something. Alright, now we're going to do two other ones like that. So like that. That is Pig's body. Now we're going to do the ears like that. So then he can hear. Now we're going to do his eyes, this. We are doing cute Pig the Pug, so Pig is going to have it like that. Now we're going to do like that, and then we're going to do wiggly lines like that, but not too wiggly, just like that. Now we're going to do the tongue with a little line like curving, and then we want to do the nose so he can smell like that. So that's what it is. Now we have to do his clothes, because if there's no clothes on him, then he would look naked. Alright, so we're going to do a little line there. So then we can do another line down there. And then do some lines in there. That looks like a real t-shirt top. Okay, now we're going to do another line here and a line here. So then another line down there and another line down there. Lines in there again, like that. Now we want to make the bottoms, so same at all of the times. Just like this. Now we're going to draw Pig the Pug writing in there, and you guys, you can write love or something. We do not mind. Pig the Pug. Now we're going to do the shorts, but not the same as that. We're just going to do it like that and like that. Now it looks like pants, but we need it like so it looks like real pants. So we're just going to maybe want to do the little line there, like that. Pig looks like a little baby. Alright, now we're going to start colouring in, and you guys can pause if we're going too fast. Alright, actually we're also going to use some pink because his tongue. So we're just colouring in the tongue pink, and nose brown. Maybe do some circles that are brown, 3 of them, and yeah, just do whatever you wish. We don't care. You guys can do like a pink Pig the Pug. We do not care whatever colours, we do not care whatever t-shirts or dress, whatever you want, and you guys just do what you want to do. So we're still gonna keep on coloring, and then maybe we could just like shade over the circles for this, just because we don't want it not our big C like that. Now we're just going to color Pig's body all in this color, because that's his color. Alright, then we're gonna do his feet in this color and his hands, because he needs it like that. Alright, now I'm just gonna go like that, like that, and like that. Now, we're gonna use blue for the t-shirts and the shorts. So we're going to just do like that, just because we don't want grey on his t-shirt, don't we? So we're just gonna do that so it looks better. And we're gonna probably do that dark blue. And now we're gonna use the light blue to do this stuff. And now with these bottoms, we want to do them light blue too. But don't really do it that good, because we're gonna sneakily put some pink on there. So, just like that. And maybe do some pink up here if you wish. And now, we just need the light blue to color it all of the rest in. And then, we'll all be finished with our Pig the Pug. And two, when we finish this beautiful picture that everyone has wished for, to have a best time doing this. Bye-bye. Now that's what it looks like, so goodbye.